Sometimes truth can be stranger than fiction. For example, a newborn baby kangaroo is almost 4 to 5 centimeters long, like a peanut. We've assembled some mind-blowing facts. We bet you had no idea were true. Read on, and your view of the world just changed might a bit. Fact number 1. A single sneeze travels 100 miles per hour and shoots 100,000 germs into air. So if someone sneezes in front of you, throw him away of galaxy. Fact number 2. All humans have an automatic dive reflex. When your face is submerged in cold water or when you hold your breath, your heart slows and your blood vessels narrow to conserve oxygen. Fact number 3. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. Because our stomach has pH between 1 and 2, it can dissolve materials like metals and bones. Fact number 4. Golf is the only sport to have been played on the moon. In 1971, Alan Shepard hit 2 golf balls on a lunar surface with a makeshift 6 iron. Fact number 5. Wild dolphins call each other by name by Oi Flipper. Fact number 6. Sperm whales are the loudest animal on earth at 230 decibels. By comparison, an aeroplane is 150 decibel at takeoff. Fact number 7. Polar bears have been mating with grizzlies in Arctic, making a new animal called Pizzly. Fact number 8. Blue whale's heart weighs almost a ton and beats once every 10 seconds. Fact number 9. A dog's sense of smell is so good that it can detect a teaspoon of sugar in a million gallons of water or 2 Olympic-sized pool. Fact number 10. The term okay probably comes from a misspelling of phrase all correct. Number 11. Lobsters used to be so cheap that they were frequently used to feed prisoners. Fact number 12. Ancient Romans used urine to whiten their teeth. Yeah, it sucks, but it's true. A hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1260 times per minute, in one species at least. Number 14. Chewing gums can't be digested, so always throw it after chewing it. Fact number 15. It may be surprising, but a whole lemon actually contains more sugar than a single strawberry. That's partially because of the size difference. However, a cup of strawberry slice have more sugar than a cup of lemon slice. Fact number 16. Americans eat approximately 20 million hot dogs a year, especially during baseball season. About 18.5 million hot dogs were consumed during the 2015 Major League Baseball season. Fact number 17. Drinking enough water every day can help you lose weight, reduces heart disease and cancer, and helps flush toxins out of your body. Keeping your body hydrated can also help reduce cavities and tooth decay. Fact number 18. If your bathroom mirrors fog up all the time after a hot shower, rub a cucumber slice along the mirror. It will eliminate the mist and provide a shooting spa-like fragrance. If you've written something in pen and made a mistake, the outside waxy coating of cucumber can also be used to erase pen writing. Fact number 19. The different colored capsicums are not always from the same plant. Although some green capsicum are just unripe, red capsicum and yellow or even red capsicum are all unique plants with their own seeds.